Hey, welcome to another show. If you like cooking, then we have a meat injector you're going to like. Stay tuned. Alright, thanks for watching here. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing of this stainless steel meat injector. Alright, opening up the box, you can see that this is a high quality stainless steel meat injector. It does come with 3 different size needles. The 6-inch needle with the 12 holes allows for injecting liquid seasoning or sauce deep into the meat to ensure tenderness and juicy flavor. This other 6-inch needle with the large hole on the end right here is perfect for thicker marinades or mincing, and also for if you're going to use herbs for better flavor. So that's a nice needle for that. And the last one is a 4-inch needle with small holes. This can be used to marinate thinner and tender meat, just like chicken breast or pieces of steak. Here you have your cleaning brush tools and a nice brush that you can take and put your sauces on top of your meat. This meat injector is very easy to use. First you need to prepare your marinade, and then you fill it into the meat injector. And then second, what you want to do is insert your needle with the meat injector into the meat to become more flavorful and moist. Hey, making this review is making me hungry, so I want to get out on the grill and start cooking. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I will have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon. And like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye.